Imagine a world where ground protection is no longer a concern. Welcome to the realm of Checkers MambaMat ground protection mats. Designed with an ergonomic orientation, these mats are equipped with 8 standard handholds. This makes handling a breeze, even in the most demanding situations. But that's not all. MambaMat also boasts reliable pedestrian traction, ensuring safety is never compromised. And if you're worried about load capacity, prepare to be impressed. MambaMat can shoulder a staggering 95-ton load with ease. Ideal for small to mid-sized businesses, MambaMat is your trusty companion in light construction, landscaping, utilities, drilling, and even arborist segments. Remember those expensive property repairs that used to give you sleepless nights? Wave them goodbye with MambaMat. Our latest ground protection product helps you minimize damage to property, saving you both time and money. Discover the power of Checkers MambaMat ground protection mats. Ground protection redefined.